What's up guys, and welcome back to another new awesome video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fully set up your store so you're ready to take payments and hoping for business. Like that being said guys, let's get started. So as you can see guys, I'm right here back on our website again because we go in through the process of setting up our own e-commerce website. Okay, and if I click preview right here, as you can see, this is where we leave it the last time. Okay, so we change some text, we modify our button, and we upload a picture right here, as you can see, and we also add some products in our best selling product category. All right, so like all that being said guys, let's go back, and I'm just gonna close this, go back to the builder, and we're going to go over the store. So we're going to set up our store so we are open, so we can open for business. If you know what I mean, we can take payment, all that good stuff. As you can see right here, this is the last video that we have done, that we did yesterday. We also had it here. So if you don't see, if you don't see it on our YouTube channel, if you don't subscribe to our YouTube channel, you can also watch it here. Okay guys, and you can just just click there and subscribe as well. All right, like all that being said guys, so this is the store. Okay, so we're going to set up our store so it complete, so we open for business. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do right here. All right, so as you can see, we already create a product. So now we're gonna connect our payment method, add some store details, shipping method, and so on and so forth. Okay, so in this video, if you go through with me step by step, your store will be fully set up and ready for payment and so on and so forth. All right guys, so you can go through these steps. So step one, create a product, connect a payment processor so you can take money from your customer, add store details and shipping method. You can just click the green button right there to go to each step. Okay, but I'm not gonna do that right now. In this video I'm just gonna click settings, and that will also give us the same step, but only the difference is we have it up here. Okay, so these are the steps that we're gonna go through. So for example, shipping, if I click shipping, it would be the same thing if I click add shipping method right here. That will be the same thing. It will take you the same place. It's just some shortcut to break it down for you. Okay, but if I click settings, as you can see, will take me to store details, and this is where you need to set up all your information so you can get notification and so on and so forth. For example, when somebody complete a order, you guys need to get a confirmation email. So this is where you have to set that up. So for example, as you can see, say email for order notification right here. So what you need to do, you need to put your email in here, that whenever a customer purchase a product, or any activities happen on your website, it will send a notification to this particular email. So I'm just gonna put my email in here and say gmail.com. So this is the email that I want it to send the notification to. And say for example, you have more than one email that you need to get notified. Whenever somebody make a purchase, you can just add a comma and then you can just write the other email, such as okay. So anyone make a purchase on my website, once I fully set it up, anyone make a purchase on my website or any activities such as email submission, contact information, and so on and so forth, it will send that notification to both these email. Okay, so that's how you do that. All right, and for the store details, you're just gonna put your company name. So right now my company name is Time to Shine. Okay, some company they have their company ID. If you do have your company ID, you can put it right there. If not, you can just leave that blank. So in this video, I'm just gonna leave this blank. Okay, your address, make sure you put your full address in. I'm just gonna make an address up and say 7143 Maryland Road, and then I'm just gonna put this city, and I'm just gonna put a zip code that I make up. Always make sure you put your correct information, okay? Because this everything you put here we're gonna use for your business, okay? So please make sure this be your business information or whatever information that you want to use for your business, okay? But it have to be correct. All right, and I'm just gonna put this the state. I'm just gonna say Maryland, and it's in the United States of America, and I'm gonna put my phone number in, and I'm just gonna click save. Okay, so this is finished. All right, so this is the store details. Okay, so anyone that purchase a product from my store or my website, I will get notified, and also my store details will be populated in my store details section from my website. Okay, and then next we're gonna go to general, and we talk about this in the last video we did. About this is basically gonna help you to set up your store just the way you want it, for the weight, the shipping, and all that. So for example, the symbol sign, what if you want the symbol sign to be right here? If you look over here is an example. All right, so the money symbol, what if you need it to be behind? Okay, you can change it like that. So you can go be like $19.91 and the dollar symbol on the right hand side. But it's commonly known to be on the left side, and for my store I'm just gonna leave it on the left side. Okay, and what if you want to change the currency of your website? What if you need your website to be in pound, all right, instead of United States dollar? You can just click right here and you can change it, and as you can see, the symbol change as well. This is the money symbol onto your website. Excuse me, hopefully. So that's how you change your symbol. So whatever country you in, that's how you're gonna change the symbol to your country, as you can see right there. Okay, I'm just gonna put it back on United States, or you know what, let me put it in pound and click save and preview the store so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So now your website is fully in e-money pound. Okay, so if I click that, you will be taking payment in pound. Okay, so that's how you do that. All right, and for the weight, we already talked about that. The last video, I put it in pound, but you can change it back in kg if you want, or ounces if you want to. Okay, but I'm just gonna leave it in kg for this video. I'm just gonna leave it in kg. Okay, and what if I come back here to the preview, what if I want this, I don't want add to cart right here, what if I just want it to be buy now? How can I do that? You just go back here and you change right here, store processes, to buy now. And I always leave the invoice number at 1, so you don't want to give them too many invoices excuse me, hopefully. And I'm just gonna click save. So if I come back to the preview and then I refresh it, go back to the store, as you can see, it's buy now there instead of add to cart. So if I click the buy now, it's just gonna take me straight to the cart so I can purchase this product. Okay, so let me go back to the builder and change it back to add to cart, because I needed to say add to cart. And then when I come back and refresh it, you can see the button changed to add to cart, excuse me, hopefully. And when you click add to cart, as you can see, just add it to your cart, and then later on you have to go and check out. So for example, as you see right here, it's in the cart. What if I want to keep shopping? I can add more stuff to my cart, such as the Chromebook and the Dell computer, and as you can see, counting right there. And when I'm ready to check out, then I can click that and I can see everything that's inside my cart, and then I can just click checkout, and then I can proceed to check out like that. Excuse me, hopefully. Let me close this and let me go back to the builder, leave it and add to cart. And I'm gonna change the symbol back to United States dollar, and I'm just gonna click save. So now my whole entire website go back to United States dollar. So now I'm going to be taking payment for like United States, as a United States currency, as you can see. All right, so that's that for the general information. So please make sure you go and set up your store general information just the way you want it. Okay, all right, now for the shipping. If I click shipping, and then I have to add shipping right here, and as you can see, these option pops up. So if I click here, as you can see, you can add weight, you can go by weight, or you can just go by price. Okay, normally I just go by price because that's better for me to calculate my shipping. Okay, but you can go weight if you want, it's all up to you, but I go by prices. Okay, and I can say you can give your shipping a name. So I'm just gonna say shipping right there, and then I'm just gonna say from 0 to I'm just gonna say 0 to 78 or $78. Shipping gonna be $8. Okay, and then I have to change global to where you want this shipping to take effect. So I'm gonna say, excuse me, hopefully if I can find it, let me scroll down. Scroll down, United States. So I'm just gonna say United States. I'm just gonna click that, and then you can make that rules for more than one country if you want to. But for right now, I'm just gonna leave it this one on United States. Okay. So anyone come to my website from the United States of America and purchase something from $0 to $78, they will be paying $8 for shipping. Okay, so I confirm that. So once I confirm that, it's this settings that I just created only apply for the person in United States of America. Okay, so for example, if I have to add another country in here, right now it's on global. So if any, say for example, I'm just gonna say shipping UNI. I'm just gonna say shipping United Kingdom. Okay, so I'm making this shipping for United Kingdom. Okay, and then I can say the same thing, say 0 to 190. The shipping gonna be say for example $10. Okay, and I'm just gonna change the global, and I'm just gonna scroll down to United Kingdom. Okay, United Kingdom right there. All right, so now anybody come to my website from United Kingdom and purchase anything from my store from 0 to 190, that's gonna be the shipping. Okay, so if I could confirm, so these are two rules that I created for my shipping. Okay, so anyone come from the United States, purchase something on my store, this my store, the system Quack Builder automatically knows that to give the United Kingdom person the United Kingdom shipping. Okay, so they will not pay $8 because they're not from the United States. They will be paying the $10 because they're from the United Kingdom. And that's how you're gonna make all the rules for your country, different country. You can set up different shipping rules. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave those two rules for now, and I'm gonna preview the store. And once I preview the store, say for example, let me go check out, and as you can see, there is no shipping right here. No shipping right here because, let me see, continue address and all that. I have to put all that in, but there's no shipping applied because it's way over the amount. So now they're gonna get free shipping. So let me close that. And I don't really have anything that's for that price range, so let me put a product on sale real quick, and so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the Dell laptop and a huge sale. All right, I say 70, right? So let me just put it to 60 and see what happened. Okay, So I'm just gonna put it below the method so they get free shipping. So if I update that, and once I update it, I preview the store again, showing a new tab, and if I click add to cart, oops, I clicked too much. I gotta delete one, delete one. All right, go back to the store, and I'm just gonna add the laptop. Go to the checkout, proceed, and as you can see right now the shipping apply because it's below what I set right here. If I go back, to dashboard, and I'm just gonna go settings, go shipping, so it's below the $78. Okay, so if it's below the $78, they're gonna pay shipping. Okay, if it's above the $78, they're gonna get free shipping. Okay, so the shipping will Quack Builder gonna automatically knows that it should not apply the shipping once they get over $78. Okay, so if I click that, for example, go back to the let me close this, go back to the store, right? If I go back to the store, excuse me, hopefully, and as you can see right here, the shipping applies. So right now it's $8 for shipping. So right now if I'm gonna buy this product, I will have to pay the $8 for the shipping. Okay, so if it go over the $75, so for example I had another one of this to the cart, as you can see the shipping disappear because it's more than the amount to apply the shipping. So that's how you set up your shipping method. Okay, so if you want to give free shipping, you can say, all right, anybody purchase anything from 0 to 78, they will get free shipping once it go over the 78. But anyone purchase 0 to 78 or below 78, they will have to pay $8 for the shipping. Okay, so what if I raise this up and say, let me see how much in the cart, 120. All right, so if I raise this and say 125, just for the example. Okay, if I say excuse me, hopefully, anyone purchase anything from 0 to 175, they will have to pay the $8 for the shipping. So if I confirm this now, and as you can see, this is in the cart already, but if I refresh it, as you can see, no shipping is there. But if I refresh it, the shipping is gonna apply. Okay, because remember the rules that we set up in our shipping method. We set up anyone purchase anything from 0 to 25, and if I go back to the store, as you can see, this is 120. Okay, so they need to add something that over $5 for them to get the free shipping off. Okay, so that's how you set up your shipping method for your store. All right, I'm just gonna put it back. You know what, I'm just gonna put it back to 75. Okay, but you can set up whatever rules you want to set up for whatever country, and so on and so forth. All right, and the next thing that I want to stress enough, if you put it on global, as you see right here, if you put this on global, it's going to apply the same rule for every single country. So if you want to differentiate the shipping rule for the country, you have to just create each individual shipping rules. Okay, and as you can see, I also have the United Kingdom shipping rules set up, but it automatically knows to apply the United States rules for me because I'm in the United States. So it's detect the IP and it knows that I'm inside the United States. So it have to give me the United States shipping method. So right now, anyone from the United Kingdom come to this website and actually try to check out anything on my website, they will have to pay the $10 for the shipping as I set up in the shipping rules right here. Okay, so that's it for the shipping method, guys. That's how you set up your shipping for your e-commerce website. Okay, all right. So tax information. I'm not gonna go over this in this video because every state is different. You guys have to figure out the information from your state. I'm pretty sure you can just Google it or ask a tax expert and just fill in the information in here. Okay, so as you can see, same thing, choose a country, you know, put your tax name, and they give you a we give you an example right here, and so on and so forth. You can do fixed amount and you can do percentage and so on and so forth. You know what I mean? And you can add the percent right there. If you do fixed amount, it change it, so you can do the fixed amount right there. All right, and you can do whatever you want. If you want to exempt business from this taxes, you can do so as well. Okay, so you go over that. You can Google it, find your information for your state, and just put it in. Put the necessary information right here. All right, and next is payment. Okay, so right here, payment, we have so much payment method built inside of Quack Builder. Okay, so if you click this button right here, as you can see, these are all the payment provider that we support at the moment. Okay, you can use Braintree to check out, PayPal, Afterpay, and so on and so forth. You get the idea. We got a lot of them. Okay, or even bank transfer, you can do that as well. All right, you can set up any one or any two payment method. For example, I already select Stripe, and if I want, I can add a PayPal too as well, or you can add something else, but I strongly suggested you to add one or two of them to your website because you don't want to go to your website and confuse people. Okay, you don't want to do that. So I strongly suggest to use one or two of them. So let me delete that. And and for the PayPal, it's really simple. You can just populate your PayPal email right there, and then you will be good to go to start collecting payment on your website. Okay, but I'm just gonna disable PayPal for now, and I'm gonna talk about Stripe. Okay, so if you guys new to Stripe, you guys don't know what Stripe is. Stripe basically a payment gateway or a payment processor is the same thing that you can use to collect payment from your customer. So basically, I'm just basically saying this is what you need to use to collect money from your customer on your website. Okay, and it's really easy to set up. All you need is a publishing key and a secure key, and you are good to go. Okay, like that being said, guys, so if you don't have a Stripe account, all you need to do is just come right here and click learn more. Okay, and then when you click learn more, it's gonna bring you to the Stripe website. Okay, so this is Stripe website, and as you can see, these are all the companies that Stripe you know, taking payment for. All right, the biggest company in the world, they use Stripe to take their payment from you guys from all of us actually. All right, so you can do the same. All right, you can use Stripe too as well to take payments from your customer. As you can see, Instacart, all these big company use Stripe. Even Google, Amazon, Lyft, I'm pretty sure you use these company. Okay, all right, like that being said, Let's go back up here. So basically what you need to do to start getting payment from Stripe, you need to come right here and you need to click sign in up here. And then once you click sign in, I'm assuming because you're new to Stripe, you do not have a Stripe account. So you're not going to be able to just add your email and password and sign in. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to come down here to the bottom of the Stripe information right here and just click sign up, excuse me, hopefully. And then once you get here, now you can create an account. As you can see, say create your Stripe account. All right, I'm not gonna walk you through creating an account with Stripe because it's just basically your information. All right, so you're just gonna put your email, your full name, country, password. You have to create your own password, and then you click create your account. And once you create your account, let me go back to the builder. Stripe gonna give you a publishing key and a secure key and a secret key, excuse me, hopefully. You just need to paste these two inside of the box. Okay, just paste your publishing key right here and paste your secret key right here, and you will be good to go. You will be set up to take payments. Okay, and once you finish that, your website is good to go. You can just come come to your checkout tab right now. Okay, so you can just say payment, then you just click checkout, and then you have to just, you know, create your checkout policy and so on and so forth. All right, so I'm assuming that you already have your privacy policy, refund policy, and your terms of service. Okay, so once you have all these, all you need to do, you just copy and paste it in. All right, for this video, I have some information that I created here, some dummy information. So I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay, so this is the privacy policy. I'm just going to click it and paste it into privacy policy. Come back here, terms of service. I'm just gonna copy, oops, excuse me, hopefully copy and paste my terms of service in the terms of service box. And last but not least, my refund policy. Okay, I'm just gonna copy right here. And these are just some dummy text, guys. So just copy my refund policy in there, and then I'm just gonna click save right there. And then once I click save, my my store is fully set up. Okay, so once I go through all these tabs, my store is fully set up. So now I'm open for business, so I can take payment, I can do all that good stuff. Okay, and if I close this, close that, and I go back to the builder, and I'm just gonna preview the store and just gonna click show in a new tab. And if I scroll down right here, if I click store, start shopping now, and then I click just gonna click a product real quick, and if I do add it to cart, checkout, proceed to checkout, I just have to put some information in there, and I just have to put all this in. Okay, if I need to purchase this product. But if you look down here, as you can see, if I click here, these are the information that I just put inside my checkout information right here. So as you remember, I got the privacy policy. You see right here, privacy, that's the privacy, and this is before they check out, so they can read your privacy they can read your refund policy before they actually check out and purchase this product. So that's how you add your store policies, privacy and terms of service information inside of your e-commerce website. Okay, and we will talk more about that to add all these information such as terms of service, privacy policy and refund policy, hopefully inside of your footer, because these information should also be inside of your footer as well. Okay guys, so that's how you set up your store, and that's how you can know that your store is fully set up. Once you go over all these setting right here, once you complete that, your store is fully set up, you're open for business, and you are ready to go. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, click that post notification guys, and also share this with family or friends that you think this will be good information for. Okay, so just share it, like, subscribe, comment. Also let me know what other video you want me to make. Okay guys, and I will see you in the next one. Hopefully. Also guys, in the next video I will be showing you guys how to complete your website, okay, such as go through the pages and so on and so forth. So if I come here, product pages, so these are basically product that you're gonna add into your store. You're gonna do your about us page, that shipping and terms as we paste inside of the store. Remember we did that, so you can just update this page with your shipping method, terms of policy and so on and so forth. And the contact us is basically your information right here, and they can submit a form, this form right here with a message of what they want to get your attention with right there. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.